In today's video, I will teach you how to do an orange and teal color grading in Photopea. Let's get started. First, launch Photopea, then load the image by going to File, then Open. In the Layers panel, select the image layer and press Ctrl-J to duplicate it. Then right-click the duplicated layer and select Convert to Smart Object for non-destructive editing. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Hue and Saturation. Then set the following values for specific color channels. With the duplicated layer selected, go to Filter, Camera Raw, and apply the following settings. Then click OK to apply the changes. Now go to Layer, New Adjustment Layer, then Curves. Now drag the shadows point and set the input to 20 and output to 20. Now we're going to add a vignette effect. To do this, start by pressing Shift-Ctrl-N to create a new layer and name it Vignette. Then select the gradient tool from the toolbar. Then choose Color to Transparent as a gradient. Then set it to radial and enable reverse. Now drag from the center of the image outward to create a vignette effect. Now set the vignette layer's blending mode to soft light and adjust the opacity to your preference. And you can now save your edited image by going to File, then Export As, and choose your desired file format. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.